The powerful quake struck Dingri County with a magnitude of 6.8 near the border with Nepal. The high-altitude Dingri County in the Tibet region is situated on the Chinese side of Mount Everest. This high-altitude region sits on a major fault line where the Indian tectonic plate crashes into the Eurasian plate, forming the Himalayas. Earthquakes here are frequent and deadly. In the same region, China is pushing ahead with its plan to construct the world's largest hydropower dam on the Brahmaputra River. The project poses immense risks. Experts, however, warn that such massive infrastructure projects could amplify seismic risks and destabilize the region further. Since China's occupation of Tibet in 1951, the region has been subjected to relentless resource exploitation. Now, Beijing's announcement of discovering 20 million metric tons of copper beneath the Tibetan plateau reveals another layer of risk. China's aggressive mineral exploitation transforms pristine landscapes into industrial extraction sites, disregarding both ecological balance and seismic dangers. The convergence of natural hazards, massive infrastructure projects, and resource extraction creates a perfect storm of potential disasters. The latest earthquake serves as a grim reminder of the risks that come with ignoring nature's warnings. Houses reduced to rubble.